hot piping broth, flavor, spice, and 100% vegan. Today on Rated V, we explore the wonders of Chinese hot pot. So there's different styles of hot pot, but today I'm at Shullun Hot Pot, a Sichuan style hot pot in Valencia, Spain's Chinatown. So let's get started. Hot pot culture in China goes back 3,000 years, and it was an affordable way to eat together and socialize. Today it's definitely about comfort food and socializing and enjoying a healthy meal.
Hola, buenas. Soy Nieves, dueña de Shullun Hot Pot. Le gusta la hot pot porque para invierno hot pot se sale muy caliente y la comida de hot pot se sale muy fresco y también mucho verdura variado.
So how does hot pot work? First, you choose your broth. Here we have a veggie mushroom broth, which is available at a lot of different hot pot places. Yes, here I'm in Spain, but whatever hot pot place you go, they always have a veggie option, so opt for that. Second, we're at a Sichuan style, so of course we opted for a hot, spicy broth. Here in the middle, we have a spicy broth. So for greens, we have stuff like bok choy, some cabbage, some seaweed, lotus root, and then you have your starches. Then you have stuff like your meaty stuff, which is your tofu. Do not forget the sauces. The sauces is what really adds the flavor. My favorite sauces are peanut-based sauces with some garlic and scallions. Really, you can add any flavor you want. Just make it your own and it's delicious. First thing you want to cook is the greens because they add flavor to the broth, and you cook it only for a small amount of time because you want to eat your fiber first. This prevents you from filling up on the carbs and the tofu and everything. Tofu you want to add second after you add the veggies. The last thing you want to add into the broth are your starches. So like your potatoes and your noodles, that goes in last because it prevents you from getting filled up on them, and the broth is already at its most flavorful point, so it'll absorb the most flavor. The best part, of course, is eating it. The sauces is what gives it so much flavor, and the veggies that have been absorbed in the broth. You guys, this is something you want to enjoy on a cold day. Come with your friends. Make sure to check it out no matter what city you're in. It's totally worth it.